Subscribe to my channel before going to video. Thanks a lot. Half a minute a day can give you incredible benefits in the future. Note, this job is absolutely free. It will not cost you a single rupee. Yes, you just have to open the app for half a minute every day and start mining again. This is the only digital currency in the world that is mined by mobile phone. There is no chance of damage. The potential for profit is huge. Friend, a new Pi network digital currency is going to be launched in the international market, which is starting just like Bitcoin in 2009 BTC IE. Bitcoin also started from such free mining, and at the time it was 0.0003. There was a coin rate, and today its coin carat is $10,300. Pakistan is a Bitcoin of about 17 million. Bitcoin has also started pre-mining since March 2019 and will continue to have pre-mining for another 6 months. I have been using it for about 4 5 months. Friends, this is the only cryptocurrency in the world that can be mined from a mobile phone. All you have to do is download it for free from the Pi Network App Play Store and simple enter your name and phone number. You can also be logged in to Facebook. After 24 hours, you have to start mining for the next 24 hours by processing a button. This way you will mine 6 free coins every day, one coin in 4 hours, but you can also increase this rate by inviting your friends. About 6 months later, the network will launch the rate of its currency and on the World Online Currency Exchange, and its rate will increase over time just like a Bitcoin. Now we have a chance to use the internet anyway nowadays. Anyway, if this is done together, what is the harm? Maybe in the future this coin up will be of some benefit if you collect 1000 coins, and even if the rate is $10, you will have $10,000, and if its market value goes about $100, then you can guess for yourself, and its value is also $1 or $2. There will be no harm to you, but there will become benefit. You have to keep the notification of this app on so that you get notification every 24 hours that your mining period is over. You open the app and mine again. Just then your internet should be on. Mine will start collection coins for your whether whether your internet is running or not, and even if you close the app or turn off the mobile, it will continue to mine this app, and your battery will use and will not use your data. Also, remember this is not a Ponzi scheme where your money will be wasted. It is just not ask you for money at any stage during network mining. It is absolutely free. If you want to make instant money, then this app is not for you. But patience is necessary. Yes, it can benefit you in future. You can get the rest of the information by visiting their website. Click on the link below for free mining and install the app. 9 million people are using this app. Thank you for watching.